afternoon. I'm back again. You should see the sky, guys. Today, very blue sky. It is 12 noon. Hi guys. I have something to show you. I'm here at the our cooking area for our dogs. In fact, I'm cooking here a dog food. And while I'm cooking here, I am reheating the metal here. It's because I wanna put a hole here. This is for my lettuce, to plant lettuce today. So I think this is already hot. Yeah, it's hot. There, and stick here, there, all the way. Oh, there you go. Sunog. Okay. Kalain. Ate naman. Ay, sayang. Oh, damage. Sayang. Okay ra. Oo. This disposable glass, this was from the, if you have a party here, I won't throw anything. I save it. I made some, but oh look, damage. It's so fragile. Anyhow, I still have left. There are only 3 damage, guys. But that's still sayang. So it's okay. I'll just set it here. Okay. I want to arrange this one so it won't fly. Hey guys, let's get inside to the house. I have something to show you again. Let's get inside. Hi guys, this is what I'm going to show you. Empty bottle pop. Remove the label. Mark it here. You made this one. And you need this one. A small hole. scissor. Okay. Nalinamukuha na akong camera, guys. So many. Very good. For my lettuce, guys. Okay. I've got 5 here. Oh. 5 times 3, 15. No holes to hold the water. I still have more here. That's it. So bye for now, guys. I wanna show you how to plant my lettuce here. Then I'm going to look a place to where I'm going to set the empty bottles here. Thank you so much for watching my video. And please like and comment and subscribe. God bless you all, guys. Bye-bye. Hi guys, this is the place that I'm going to set the empty bottles. See what I did here? Nails. Set it there. So it won't move. That's it. Then here, nail. And here. See what I did, guys? I'm almost done putting a nail. Hi guys, I'm done now. See? Won't move. So tight. Very tight. Go. I'm ready to transfer now. Hi guys. I already finished the 2 bottles. Then I need to continue this one. Very cute, guys. And I'm going to add water here later. Hoping this one will thrive. And this is only experiment, guys. Some ideas to plant all the lettuce here. My glasses, maybe this is a little bit small, We'll just try it, that one. This is only my available here. So I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm done. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3, 18. So I planted 18 here. Lettuce seedlings. So now I'm going to add water. Good. So that's it. The rest I'm going to finish this one. I want the okay. And please stay so I can add water here. These are water from the pan, guys. So set it here back. Looks like it feels like the lettuce there. Happy? They're happy. Very good. Wow, nice. I'm hoping this one will a success, guys. I'm going to update you. So this is my little project again. Bottle recycle. To grow a lettuce. Thank you, guys. Hello. I'm going to say thank you to you all for okay. Hi guys, thank you so much for viewing my video. I hope this is my lettuce here on the bottle will success. So I'm gonna let you updates. Okay, thank you so much guys for your time. Please click like and subscribe, comments too, and thank you so much. Bye for now guys. Stay tuned, I'll be back later.